How to add transitions in Camtasia Studio 2022. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse Your YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step. So now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the process actually is pretty simple. So what you need to do is if you are in media, please select transitions here, and here we have transitions. Okay, you can see here how it looks like the transitions, and if you want to add one of the transitions from here to your video, it is very simple. Let's say we want to add this blur zoom. Okay, just grab this blur zoom and put it to your video right at the start. And now, as you can see, we added the transition. If you wanted the transition at the end, just grab the transition, grab it and put it in the end here. And now let's go there, and we can also make the transition a bit longer, and you can see it worked. But now it's very slow, the transition, because it's too long. But here it's not anymore. Look. Okay, and now here we go. So that's how you add a transition. You can also search by type, what type of transition you like to add to your video. Radiant, division, 3D. Here's snapshot. Let's see this one. Actually, this looks pretty good. You just need to make the transition a little bit longer. And yeah, it looks very awesome. Okay, so that's how you add transitions in Camtasia Studio 2022. I hope this video helped you. If you did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.